Eggplant are a wonderful vegetable that support your health in many ways, high in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, and said to aid you in connecting with your third eye and your crown chakra. In this video, I will tell you how to make baba ganoush. Start by slicing off the ends and the outside skin of the eggplant. Then slice it in rounds and salt liberally and let sit for about 10 minutes. You will see moisture start to bead up on the eggplant. You may rinse them off or leave them as is. Then liberally apply olive oil, coating each side thoroughly. And then you will stack them into towers so that you may roast them in the oven at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. I add in cloves of garlic as well, and then seal it up tight so that it can steam in the oven. Then I put it in the mixer along with other spices. You can choose whatever suits you. I personally add in tahini, cumin, smoked paprika, along with fresh herbs and lemon juice. The herbs I sometimes include are basil, cilantro, anything else you might like. Mint would be great as well. Then I puree till smooth, about like baby food. And then I eat it with tortilla chips, crackers, or on sandwiches. Try it. It's delicious, great for you, and very nutritious. Best wishes, all the love, be well holistically, inside, out, and all the way around, for yourself and the environment you're a part of.